Microsoft Excel 2013, Examining a Worksheet. A cell can contain one of two types of data, constant values or formulas. It is very important to know the difference as you are working in Excel, especially if you're going to add or delete values within a worksheet. In this particular worksheet we're looking at, there are both constant values and formulas, and I'm going to show you how you can find out the difference between the two. First of all, I'm going to click in cell B4. And really the important location that you want to look at in the Excel spreadsheet as you click on the cells is the formula bar right up here. The formula bar is going to tell you the value that's stored in that particular cell. And if they match, if that value in the formula bar matches with the cell value, then it's a constant value, meaning that someone actually typed in that value. It's not a result of a formula. And the only way that you're going to be able to change this is to click here and type in a different value. If we move over to E4, you'll notice that the formula bar looks a little different. It has equals sum and in parentheses B4 colon D4 closing parenthesis. All formulas in Excel begin with the equal symbol, so this is actually a formula. Sum means add, and in the parentheses is the range of cells to add. B4, colon means through, D4. So everything from B4 to D4 is going to be included, which also includes C4. Another way to visually look at a formula is to double-click on the formula. Now this does put you in what we call edit mode in Excel, but it also visually shows you the cells that are included in the formula. To cancel out of edit mode, use the escape key in the upper left of your keyboard. So let's take a look at a couple of other cells and see if they are constant values or formulas. I'll click on the 600 number right here, which is B8. Notice that the formula bar and the cell value are exactly the same. This is a constant value. What about this $15,105, E12? Well, again, that looks like a formula. Notice the equal symbol, and it is using a sum or add feature. And if I double click, I should be able to visually see which cells are included. Again, to cancel out, hit the escape key. And that is examining a worksheet in Microsoft Excel 2013.